Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in health and wellness. Today, I'm thrilled to talk about something that's been creating quite a buzz in the health and fitness community: Java Burn Coffee. If you're on the hunt to supercharge your metabolism, shed some extra pounds, and amplify your coffee experience, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, we've got a lot to explore. Imagine starting your day with a cup of coffee that not only wakes you up, but also helps you burn fat more efficiently. Java Burn isn't just any supplement, it's a game changer for your daily coffee ritual. Imagine transforming your regular cup of joe into a powerful, health-boosting beverage. It's crafted to fire up your metabolism, helping you burn fat more efficiently while sipping on your favorite coffee. Whether you're jogging, working out, or just going about your day, Java Burn is designed to support your active lifestyle. But let's break it down. What is Java Burn exactly, and what makes it tick? What sets it apart from other supplements on the market? At its core, Java Burn features a powerhouse of natural ingredients including green tea extract, L-theanine, chromium, and chlorogenic acid from green coffee beans. These ingredients are carefully selected for their ability to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. These components synergize to rev up your metabolic rate, curb your appetite, and infuse your day with sustained energy. Imagine having the energy to tackle your to-do list without the usual afternoon slump. And guess what? It's completely flavorless. You won't even know it's there, blending seamlessly with your coffee. No need to worry about altering the taste of your beloved brew. Now let's talk perks. Why is Java Burn becoming a favorite in the wellness community? Here's the scoop. Using Java Burn is a breeze. No complicated steps or special equipment needed. Just grab a packet, stir it into your coffee, hot or cold, and voila. You're all set to enjoy the benefits. It's that simple and convenient. Thinking of giving Java Burn a whirl? Curious to see how it can fit into your daily routine? Check it out on their official site. They often have exclusive discounts and offers that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to peek at the description below for some exclusive discounts just for our viewers. It's a great way to get started on your Java Burn journey. Have you tried Java Burn yet, or have any burning questions? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and are here to help. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our updates. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and cheers to a healthier, more vibrant you with Java Burn Coffee. Here's to making every cup count.